Alright, so, I know I probably said I was done doing videos about the PS2. Well, the PS2 red screen of death anyway, because I'm not uploading those kind of fucking videos anymore. I don't think it's fair that I should have to fucking suffer so you guys can be fucking entertained, because it's fucking bullshit. But today, we're gonna be doing something else. This time, we're gonna be testing something. If you guys ever wondered what the PS2 sounds like, slightly lower pitched, we're gonna be doing that instead. And no, I'm not doing any more red screen death videos, because I shouldn't have to fucking suffer for your guys' personal entertainment. But, enough wasting fucking time, let's do this shit. See, I got it pitched down just a little bit, I got the same tempo, but we're gonna do this. Oh, oh shit! It sounds just like the red screen of death. Oh, oh shit! There. Now you guys fucking happy? Just you're happy now. I don't think it's fair that I have to fucking go through this just so you guys can be fucking amused. You know what? Fuck it. We're gonna do something else. We're gonna see if the red screen of death sounds like pitched up. Oh, I'm so scared. The sound really scares me, guys. Everything about it scares me. But we're gonna just do it. Fuck it. No. No. It can't be. It sounds just like the PS2 menu startup. Guys, this is really freaking me out. The the PS2, when the PS2 menu music comes on and it sounds pitched down a little bit, it sounds just like the red screen of death. But when the red screen of death is pitched up a little bit, it sounds just like the menu music. Guys, this is scaring me. I just, but of course, you guys just love it, don't you? You guys just love to see me scared of this. Fine, I'm gonna upload this to YouTube. I really didn't expect the the menu sound to sound exactly like the red screen of death, or the red screen of death to sound just like the menu when they're in different pitches. But I'm gonna look this up, cause this can't be true. Let me look it up. This can't be fucking true. This can't be true. Oh no. Let me look at this. When the red screen of death is showing, the sounds that play in the beginning of the red screen of death is actually the sounds made when you're in the menu of the PS2. The only exception is that it's lower pitched, has additional scary sounds, and is more noisy. What the actual fuck? This can't be true. I don't know if I'll ever be able to play the PS2 again. I don't know, maybe, but I don't know if I'll ever be able to go into the menu again. This is freaking me out, guys. See what I have to go through for your entertainment? But I'm done. I'm done. That's it. I'm done with PS2 videos, not just red screen of death videos. I'm done with PS2 videos, guys. This is scary. No. It's over.